Hi, my name is Bill, and welcome to my 4-minute YouTube video. I put that disclaimer there about the swallows because we're going to run into a flock of them here shortly. Came down to this community park just to check out to see what the erosion control project turned out. I had my doubts that this what they call wet beach was going to be successful. They just put sort of slanted put a slope on the ground, got rid of the cliffs, and didn't put any stone down by the lake. And you're going to see here, you can see there's gullies and all along the face there where water has just been running down. And now we're starting to be swarmed by the swallows, which actually went away while they were doing that project. They had, for decades, they had come down here along the 60 to 70 foot high vertical cliff faces and drilled their little nests into the cliff faces and put their families inside there, and then they fly around and looking for insects. But you're going to see there's probably somewhere between 150 and 200 of them. They're just flying around looking for insects. Now they're more or less flying right around my Phantom 3 here, and so I was going fairly slow and trying not to upset them too much. As they got closer to these vertical cliff faces that you see here in front of us, they got a little bit more anxious, so I slowed things down, and I didn't try to get any closer. When I did a shoot of these American bank swallows in the past, I used the Evo, which has a zoom lens on it, and I could park offshore and zoom in on them a little bit easier, but I don't have a zoom on the Phantom here. But we're still getting a good view of a lot of the swallows flying around here and trying to scare off what they consider an aggressor. Again, this they probably lost 50 to 75 feet of the sloping land that they had built there, just dropped off into the lake and went away. There's a private property right next to it here on the right hand side where they had put stone down, and they didn't lose any property, but the township decided to do things what they felt on the cheap, and they got $500,000 into this project, and sort of didn't turn out very well for them or the township. Anyways, you see the cliff faces here. Even though they're not as tall as they were originally, these American bank swallows still can drill into those cliff faces and put their nests in there and raise their families, sometimes twice a summer season. We're just going to sort of move along here to the left, and we're going to move into an area where there was an equal amount of erosion, but it didn't create vertical cliff faces like you see here in front of you. This area here, the water just came down and made a bunch of channels and washed a lot of the dirt out into the lake, and it continues to do that. They got some equipment back there, and I don't know what they're going to do with that. Anyways, I came down here and I wanted to check out to see what had happened, and I got my answer. But glad to see the American bank swallows back. Hope you enjoyed this quick little 4-minute video. Leave a comment if you're so inclined. Thanks for stopping by and watching, and we're going to put up another video here probably in another week or so.